What's up, guys? Ooh, baby, it's early in the morning. Do we get up or stay in today? Oh, been up since probably like 5 something. But no, decided to get on this and just scroll. But let's get this day started. It's cold. Do we take this bond down? No more product in my hair. The thing about washing my hair is it's gonna be completely dry. To wipe the door. We'll figure it out. I'll be back. I'm trying to figure out which detector is making all this noise. It's loud. Y'all heard that? Figure out this hair in a minute. Now listen, I heard it in a few of my videos. I'm like, but I changed the batteries in here. It has to be the one in the main hallway of the apartment. So you have to shower, wash the face, and get this day started. Y'all heard it? It's like it's beeping constantly. What the heck? Like different shades of brown. I'll give y'all a better view. Maybe when I go in the front. And we're with this bodysuit. These faux leather pants. A little brown hat just to go for like different shades of brown. Okay, now we are back again because I can't decide. Now I don't know if I want to put on my fedora hats and like some ankle boots because it is a little chilly outside versus me. Let me cut this music off because I can do. Okay, let's move this out the way. As a look as well because we could do that hat because that hat goes with the creams. I feel like if I was to do that one, I want a pair of lighter pants or like a denim. I don't know, that looks too dark to me. Okay, guys, so this is the fit that we came up with. This is the final look. We did do a couple swatches. I made a TikTok. I'll probably insert it maybe here so you guys can see the indecisiveness. They're late for church, but we're going regardless, huh? Fit. This is compliments of my cousin Teresa. This is from Primark. This is from Skims. This is from Discovery. Compliments of Teresa as well. These are Michael Kors shoes. This watch I think I got from probably Forever 21. This ring probably came from Shein. And yeah, it's time to go. I gotta find my purse and gotta get up out of here. Okay, I think we got everything. Keys. Did I spray too much perfume? I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Bless me. Y'all heard that? See, it's the one out here. Now it's louder. I told y'all I wouldn't win in my house. So don't judge me in the comments. Like, girl, why she won't change that battery? It ain't my apartment. It looks so windy outside. And I got my whole ankles out. What was we thinking, Jess? Trying to be cute. Get gas. Oh, I can get gas after church. I need to get gas for the week. This is what my damn mom didn't say. Don't wait until your gas tank is on low to get gas. You never know. This is true. It's all right. Okay, I'm gonna put y'all at. Maybe it's the hour, the daylight savings time. I should have put on the coat. I'm trying to be cute, but here we are. Thank you, we love you, we praise you, God. It's working for me. Sing, Tamala. Put on a tree, vanity. You are the living word. That's what we call you. You are the living. Come on, Jabari. You are the living word. Y'all smell today. I'm almost there. Baby, church has got to be packed because, baby, the parking lots is full. The streets, baby, the street is even packed. See how bright it is? Don't let the brightness fool you because, baby, it is a little chilly. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Power walking, okay? Well, this is the service on the way here so far. Praise and worship is still going on over there. This is the word yet? Yeah, on our way. See y'all in service. look who at my church. I'm still walking. But look, it's Jonathan McReynolds. I didn't even know he was gonna be here today. What? We are back in the car. Service was amazing. Service was really, really good. Go ahead, baby. Thank you. I felt like I was on the carrier. I had to We are headed to get some gas and get something to eat, baby, because the stomach was growling. I got taste for pizza because my cousin was talking about pizza yesterday. So I got taste for pizza, like some cheese fries. Now they got it stuck in my head. Or, I had Little Caesars in a minute. Or, I also want some chip and dip. I always want chip and dip. That's not nothing new. A little chip and a little salsa. I'm gonna call them and see if they want to go to Chili's. I call them if I leave the gas station. I get distracted, baby. Yeah, but how was y'all Sunday today? My hairdo look alright with this hat on. Because the baby hair, the little edges, the little baby hair is swooped. What is this called? No, this is not a baby hair. This is a sideburn. Come on, baby, slow down. Because where's you going? You better act like you see this truck in front of you. Anywho, I made me lose my train of thought. Where's this gas station at? You couldn't even tell, if you know how the morning started off, you couldn't even tell underneath this cap what it's looking like. Because right here, we look like you sleek and we cute. Now, what are you doing? Okay, we're going to go get this gas because we got to get some gas. Right? We're going to be pushing it. Yeah, we need gas. Need it. And the fit is fitting, okay? I did okay this morning just to be like, okay, let me put this together. I think I did all right. What y'all think? With the shoes, all the creams and the browns. I think it looks good. I try to pump my gas myself, but the young man insists on doing it for me. So, God, we tell you thank you. I mean, I paid for the gas myself, but he insisted on pumping it for me. I don't have no cash to give him, so he's saying thank you. I ain't paying no attention. She said, y'all young people, baby. My daddy just said, don't get shells. That's all I know. I didn't even look at the price because your girl just needed some gas. Thank you. Huh? I don't have nothing. That's why I didn't want you to do it. I'm sorry. See, now I feel bad. Because that's why I told him not to do it. I ain't no cash. Call my cousin and see. Oh, baby, it's traffic. I'm going to see what they doing on this good old Sunday.
Yo.
Baby, rise and shine.
Girl, I've been up.
Oh, let me see what they doing tonight because I'm already outside.
Where you was at, church?
Mm-hmm. I'm still hungry from yesterday. So you go for the chili?
Mm-hmm.
So baby, get on now.
Took my head down.
Oh. You should see what my hair look like under this hat, baby. I took my little bun there. I said, oh, girl. It look like it's winter underneath this bun. Nobody's gonna know. We outside. We're gonna get something to eat. They say yes. Yes, let's go. Baby, we finna go get us something to eat. Who else get excited when you know you about to get something good to eat? They used to have the spinach queso dip, and it used to be the bomb. Then they had like this Mexican street corn, the bomb. They don't have neither one. Now you just get a regular corn with a little salt and pepper on there. So I wonder if I asked them, did they do it? You said what?
Can we make a stop before we go to Chili's?
Oh, I can't fall asleep because I'm driving. You see, I have to close my eyes. I had to close one eyeball.
Cause I'm on white man, cause I'm on Mr. White. Mr. White man, I pull up in the club, B.I.B. gas tank on white man, cause I'm on white man, cause I'm on BOOSIEBAD.
They know you?
No. I keep
He
they
was
call
like,
the stores.
he was like, can you put it up for me? I'm like, you do know them? Baby.
You needed that?
Oh, Lord.
We got margaritas. Margaritas.
You can put my strawberry lemonade in there. They could.
They gonna put your strawberry lemonade in one.
They could have put it in there.
They're not though.
And gave me a little lemon. Ooh, she had a little lime. They could have given me a little lime too. I had taste book. She was like, oh, that's all right. She had to go back in for the second one.
We already got these already?
Uh-huh.
That's on the house.
Nope.
I should have got them on camera. Show the shit. Yup. Just said, are they on the house? Nope. Take that back. I mean, it's already made. He could have just gave it to y'all. He finna just sit. What you gonna do with it?
Poor man.
No, he still got them in his hand. Maybe they supposed to went to another table. Oh, it's for the table on the other side. This out the way. Those look fine.
It smell hot.
Them look really hot. They tripped me out my ground too. You want some of this? This ain't no double dip, okay? Mm-hmm. It's hot. It's not hot. Probably good. That's good this time. Look at white paper. I wish it would still get extended. That's the same type of cheese.
Careful, this place very hot.
Crispers? Right here.
Everybody, anything else I can get for you?
That's all.
Okie dokie, thank you.
Thank you.
What?
Restricting me? Look at that cheese, boy. Boy, let me taste the barbecue one. That hot one probably too hot. You said like Louisiana hot? Or it's hotter than Louisiana? Let's see. I can't even bite it. Oh yeah, that's alright. The sauce tastes good on my grill. Well, she like hot food. We are living chili. Yeah, but that was all right. A little sprinkly. Oh. Maybe it done got dark out here. Dark at 5 o'clock. It ain't, it's only 4:44.
Are you recording yourself right now?
I am.
Why? He did
You
nothing.
get in between the Turn the car off. The window down. You alright? You gotta get in between scenes.
Dunkin' Donuts got a real good mango pineapple refresher.
Baby, the orange one? Fire.
Yes.
Banging. I get it with no ice. Give me all the juice.
Yeah.
Don't fill it. You gonna fill a cup of ice? Give it to me with no ice. Thank you.
You get it with water or lemonade?
Lemonade.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Boy, I ain't been in the mall in so long. I don't know how to get on that school at the fall. Yeah, but you know, baby, you used to go in there early in the morning, huh? It was to get all my money. Get you a good fur. She got to put her lip gloss on because she get her shoe. We have snipes.
What's the order?
She gonna flip the counter over if they sold her shoe.
What'd you say?
I said you gonna flip the counter over if they sold her shoe.
I was gonna get this shit.
Oh.
That's crazy. You got the shoe. Please don't knock me out.
He said we got the shoe.
Please don't knock me
He said, oh, you gonna do all
out. Get
that?
out of here on time. Please don't knock me out. This one good. Yeah,
Hold on. Let's see, is that her shoe? There go her shoe, y'all. She ain't gotta flip the counters. Look at her. Look at her, y'all. She's so excited. I want an NY hat. I'm gonna get it at some point. Have a good one. Is she excited? She got her shoes. And that was the last one. What's up, guys? We have officially made it home. And baby, the day is over. I liked how the fit came out, how it turned out today. I had an amazing day. I made it back home. So y'all spent the whole day with me. So hopefully soon you guys will start seeing the Christmas content start rolling out real soon. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye.